Hello everyone. So this video is going to be all about how to upload content to YouTube, a relatively easy one once you see how it's done. So I'm going to move over to my desktop and you can see that I have a couple of files, videos that I've previously made. One is about the content, finding content on YouTube. Another is about creating content for YouTube. And I encourage you to check those out if you haven't done so already. But how we upload content to YouTube is just by going over to this icon over here. It looks like a little camera with a plus sign. If you click that, you'll have two options. You can say upload video or go live. If you go live, then you would have to have some kind of recording device like a webcam or a microphone or something like that to record whatever it is that you're doing. So you can record directly kind of like to YouTube. You can also do like live sessions that way where it's just like a live feed. Kind of like when we do Google Meets and you can have a live video stream. That's what this is basically. It just creates a live video stream. But we're going to just upload a video this time. So I'll click on the upload video. And that will open a different page and option for me. And I can say select files. And I want to do finding content. Actually, I kind of want to do both, but I'll just do the one for now. So finding content, and I will say open. And then YouTube is going to upload those. It needs a title. So finding content on YouTube will be the title. You can add a description. How to search for content on YouTube. Cool. And then it's going to be processing the video for a little bit. So what it's doing now is just going through, checking for any kind of copyright material. So I'd strongly caution you against uploading anything like that. You can select whether you want it to go to a playlist. So like I have how-to videos and class update videos, and actually I kind of want this to go to my how-to video playlist for people, so that'll work there. This audience is sort of a trick. I say no, this is not made for kids. Because if I say yes, it puts certain restrictions on the video, like it won't let it be played in the mini player, which means people can't like multitask when they're watching this video. And I want them to do that. Additionally, if I say yes, it's also made for kids, it can't be monetized, which I don't care about, which in our district doesn't allow anyways. But saying no allows for a lot more flexibility on things. So I tend to say no. But if you want to say yes, that it's made for kids, you're more than welcome to do that. Age restriction, and there's some other advanced options that I'll talk about here in just a second. I don't want to have any kind of age restriction on any of my stuff. Obviously, it's all age appropriate, so I don't have to worry about that. And then the more options are stuff that you'll probably want to pay attention to too. I don't have any paid promotions in my stuff. You can add tags like how to, stuff like that. If you want to help people search. You can also add subtitles. You can upload them if you've already got those made. I don't have those for this video. But YouTube is also pretty cool because it will auto-generate subtitles. So that's kind of nice as well. You can also put in the recording date and location. Again, not really important for me. I don't have any issues with the licensing. My category will be education. And then there's one very, very important thing down at the bottom, which is the comments and the ratings. And I have these default set to disabled. I don't want students ever being able to comment on my videos. And I'd kind of prefer it if all my videos just didn't have comments. It invites a lot of, because it's going into a public sphere, a lot of odd things can be generated there. So I'd recommend you turn those off, but it's up to you. If you have something that you're only sharing with your students and you want them to comment on your videos for like a project of some kind, you might find this very useful. So yeah, that would be my recommendation on how to do this. My video is done processing, so it's asking for me to choose a thumbnail. I like this one because it has the a pre-selected thumbnail for the search function. So I'm going to say next. And I can do a couple other little things like add an end screen. I'm not going to do that. And then I'm going to say that it's public. And you can also schedule videos to come out. So this is probably for somebody who's a little more serious about making videos as like a content delivery platform. That's not really what I'm using it for right here, but you can do that. You can also schedule them kind of like how we do it in Google Classroom. But I'm good to go. So I'm going to say publish. And that video is now available. You can embed it. You can stick it on Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, Pinterest. I don't know what some of these are. LinkedIn. Again, some of these are in languages I can't read. So there's lots of options, or you can just take that video link right there, copy it, and you are good to go for uploading it onto Google Classroom or somewhere else.